Here's some 3D printing trivia. Subscribe. What type of technology uses digital files to create three-dimensional objects? Is it A, subtractive manufacturing, B, laser cutting, C, CNC machining, or D, additive manufacturing? The correct answer is D, additive manufacturing. What is the term for the process of creating an object layer by layer? Is it A, molding, B, 3D printing, C, welding, or D, casting? The correct answer is B, 3D printing. In which year was the first functional 3D printer developed? Is it A, 1985, B, 1983, C, 1990, or D, 1995? The correct answer is B, 1983. What kind of software is essential for converting designs into printer-readable files? Is it A, CAD software, B, word processor, C, image editor, or D, slicing software? The correct answer is D, slicing software. What is the name of the 3D printing technique that uses a liquid resin? Is it A, SLM, B, SLS, FDM, or DSLA? The correct answer is DLA. Which popular open source software is used for 3D modeling? Is it A, SketchUp, B, Blender, C, AutoCAD, or D, Maya? The correct answer is B, Blender. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.